In the aftermath of the 1945 atomic bombing of Nagasaki, a poignant photograph captured by U.S. Marine Corps photographer Joe O'Donnell immortalized a young Japanese boy carrying his deceased brother on his back, waiting solemnly at a crematorium. This powerful image, showing the boy's stoic resolve and silent strength, resonated deeply worldwide, symbolizing the profound unity and resilience of the Japanese people during a time of immense hardship. While widely believed stories of the boy telling a soldier, "He's not heavy, he's my brother," lack historical evidence, the photograph itself continues to serve as a profound emblem of the strength and unity needed to overcome adversity and rebuild a shattered community. This boy is now known as a symbol of unity in Japan.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it meaningful and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Your support helps us create more impactful stories.